the bus, Jimmy Fallon.
Well, I ain't going anywhere, Jimmy Fallon.
Now look here. Nice folks in this tram don't want no trouble. They just want to check out 6 Points, one of the oldest sets on the Universal line.
I hear this is where John Wayne and Jimmy Stewart shot a few of their westerns.
That's right. That's where I aim to shoot you.
Looks like we got ourselves a Mexican standoff. Lucky shot.
Now what say you mount up and get out of town when we're getting good?
All right. Well, I'll see you again, pal.
Or you can count on it. Again.
So on your screen right now, a great example of how an art department's going to work really hard to make a location look like an authentic area. So this is the street that they filmed this. And if you look on your screens, you can see that the art department added barrels, wagon wheels, tumbleweeds, and all the actors in the background are dressed in old Western costumes. We've got a horse on screen, right? But just one thing was added to the street to make it look like an authentic Western road. Anybody know what that is? The dirt! All that dirt got brought in by dump trucks and they dropped it there. Alrighty folks, well, what y'all know, we're about maybe halfway through.
If you want to watch the full version, click this video on the left, or want to watch a video that recommend for you, click this video on the right. Finally, thank you for watching and see you later.